Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I have got the perfect Valentine's present. Combined ear scoop and tweezers. It's lovely. So it's made of bone. This is a 16th century example that was based on a piece that was recovered off the Mary Rose. But actually, if you go back through the archaeological record, you'll find these going all the way back pretty much to Norman period. Same kind of thing. Well, actually, the Romans are quite into cleaning their ears out as well, and tweezering. So it is a very typical piece for really spanning from, I'm going to say, 1100 through till about 1600. It's not going to be wrong for any of those periods. So you've got on this end, a little set of functional bone tweezers. So, oh yeah, there you go. Don't know if you could hear that. Very nice. So, oh, ouch. That was good. Got two in that one. And then, of course, you've got an ear scoop, which I do not recommend you to use because obviously, you know, that puts us in a bit of a problem. However, if you were stupid enough that you wanted to actually use the ear scoop, it actually does scoop. But obviously I'm recommending that you don't do that. Anyway, like I said at the beginning, the perfect Valentine's present. I don't know any wife or girlfriend who wouldn't want something to clean her ears out and to pluck her beard with. Anyway, I'll leave that thought with you. Bye.